Understand and Care by Cheri Meiners. You can see here on the cover, someone is having a feeling. This kid right here is trying to understand and care about the feeling that the other kid is having. When we understand and care about someone else's feeling, that's called empathy. You might have heard that word before. Empathy. So this book is about empathy. Let's take a look. I have many different feelings. Other people have many feelings too. I want to understand how other people feel. That's empathy. All these different people are having different feelings. When something happens to someone, I can imagine how I would feel if it happened to me. Look, the popcorn fell. This kid is having a feeling. And this friend is thinking, how would I feel if that happened to me? That's something we can do to understand someone's feeling, is to think, how would I feel if that happened to me? Then I can understand how someone else might feel. If I think, well, how would I feel? Then you go, oh, I think I know how they might feel. How does this person feel? I see my friend smile and laugh when she's happy. So this is a different feeling. She enjoys being with people and things she likes. I understand how she feels. I smile and laugh at some of the same things. Kid is understanding about the happy feelings or maybe the proud feelings. When something nice happens to someone, I can remember times when I have been happy. I can imagine how I would feel. Ooh, look, they scored a goal. And the friend thinks, I scored a goal once too, and I felt really proud and happy. So maybe this kid feels proud and happy too. When we do that, we're using empathy. Then I can understand how the person feels. I can show I care. Remember, this book is called Understand and Care. It's about understanding how someone feels and also showing that we care how they feel. Right now, this friend is saying, I care that you're feeling proud, so I'm going to give you a high five to show I care. Someone I know may feel sad when something goes wrong. He may frown or cry. Take a look at what's happening with this kid. How is the kid feeling? Our friend over here sees that. Maybe they think, how would I feel if that's me? They think, oh, look at their face and their body. I can understand how they're feeling. I feel sad too when things go wrong for me. I can imagine how I would feel if the same thing happened. That's called empathy, when we try to think, how would I feel? Or how does that person feel? I can understand how the person feels. I can show I care. So first the friend understood the feeling, and now the friend is showing care. Now the friend is acting to do something to help the friend who's having the feeling. Sometimes people feel angry when things don't go the way they want. Anger may show in a person's face, voice, or body. You can see here, this kid is feeling mad. This kid is feeling angry. It didn't go the way they wanted. I can remember feeling angry when things didn't go my way. So this kid remembers, I felt angry too when I was building my own tower. I can try to understand how the person feels. That's empathy. So when the friend thinks, when I felt angry, how did that feel to me? I bet this kid is feeling angry too. Then I can show I care. If I'm not sure how someone is feeling, I might ask, how do you feel? The kid looks and goes, I wonder, how is Grandpa feeling? Grandpa is looking at some photos and maybe crying. What feeling is Grandpa having? So the friend asks, how do you feel? Then I can listen. Listening shows that I respect the person and that I want to understand. When I want to understand how someone feels, I watch how the person acts. I can remember when I felt that way. I can imagine how I might feel. Look, this kid is having a different feeling. What feeling is that? Our friend looks and goes, I know. I know I felt that way once. Understand. I can ask and listen about their feeling. I can show I care. Understanding each other helps us get along. It feels good to understand and care. It feels good to use empathy with our friends and our family. You can do that too. You can understand and care.